Today I want to show you how to set up a Sitz bath and also introduce you to it so that you know why you have it and what you're using it for. What this is doing is going to help you have a clean, healing experience after your birth. Frequently you might have some swelling, some soreness, and maybe even stitches. This is going to make it possible for that to be cleaned every day. You need to have the bag. Do not throw away the bag. The bag is what makes the difference of your Sitz bath. This is the basin. This one says front on the very front of it, which helps you know where to put it in. It's gonna go into your toilet. So you lift up the seat and the lid, and you're gonna set this basin into the toilet. It has a hole in the front here, this little divot inside, and holes in the back for the soiled water to go into the toilet. So we'll put that in your seat, in your toilet. Meanwhile, you're warming up some water. Just warm water is totally fine for a Sitz bath if that's all you have, but you could also, if you're capable, add Epsom salts, some witch hazel extract, or even an herbal brew of healing herbs and plants. This holds 2 quarts, so you would make a bit more than that because you'll need the 2 quarts for the bag and some for the basin. I usually make about 3 quarts when I do it myself. The one pro tip you really need to know is that when you pour in your brew, you have to have this closed. Otherwise, your Sitz bath tube is gonna fly all around and water is gonna go everywhere. So make sure that that is closed. The opening of this is a double enclosed opening, so it's pretty difficult to spill it once it's full. That's really handy. If you drop this, it won't spill once it's full, but you do have to like crack it open like so. I put a funnel in to pour in what's going into the Sitz bath. Once you've filled this, you're gonna come into the bathroom, put the end of the tube in this hole. The tube has a tiny hole at the end of it, and you're gonna notch it into this little nook. You want the little hole at the end of the tube to be facing up or to the sides. Now you're gonna hang this somewhere nearby. So maybe there's a towel bar next to your toilet. You can also hang it on the toilet handle. Once you sit down on this, the perineum will be submerged in the water. And then the person who's receiving the Sitz bath, once they're comfortable and cozy, will unhook this so that the water from the bag starts flowing through the tube. Any soiled water, because again, you're probably bleeding from childbirth, any soiled water that's coming into here is going to go into the back, which then goes down into the toilet, and the clean water will keep flowing and swirling. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes for a Sitz bath to go the whole course, and in that time I really recommend that you journal or watch your favorite funny show, maybe listen to a guided meditation or something that fills your cup, because this 20 minutes might be the only 20 minutes in a day that you're not giving to someone else. So it's important to create this sacred healing moment and really receive all it has for you.